Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Yamaha XT250 Dual Sport. This bike is in beautiful shape. Only 4,900 miles on this beautiful one-cylinder Yamaha Dual Sport street legal motorcycle. Electric start, fuel injection, 5-speed transmission, excellent condition, front and rear disc. This thing gets over 70 miles per gallon, great for running around town or a short commute. Take it off-road. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.